I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials and then launching the recovery flow. Open accounts. Google com/signin/v2/recovery on a device you used recently. This signals Google you're the owner. Enter the account address, then try the most recent passwords you remember. Even partial matches help. Once done, choose the recovery option available: text, email, or authenticator prompt. Make sure your recovery phone can receive SMS and your recovery email is accessible. These are the fastest verification methods. You now complete the complex verification steps, explaining why each detail matters. When a code is sent, enter it immediately. Codes expire quickly. If prompted, approve a Google prompt on a previously signed-in device. This is strongest proof you control the account. If asked, supply the exact month and year of account creation and names of frequent email contacts. These obscure facts reduce friction. Once you submit, wait for Google's response. Make sure to monitor your recovery email for follow-up requests or confirmations. You finish by securing the restored account and preparing for failures. After regaining access, create a strong, unique password and turn on two-step verification to prevent repeat losses. Use an authenticator app for reliability. If the automated flow fails, complete the detailed account recovery form. Provide consistent, specific information, and submit from a device and location you used before. Troubleshooting tip: retry during the same time zone and from a familiar IP address. Google weighs this context heavily when validating account ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.